Hi, welcome to mycutetoons with Jock. Today we're going to draw Blue's Clues house. So grab your markers and follow along with me. We're going to draw an A first. So I want you to draw a nice A with a curve on top. And then you're going to draw a line inside. And then after that, you're just going to draw a line going outwards. And that's going to be the roof. We're going to link the two lines together from this side to that side. So you're going to draw a straight line through. And then we're going to draw some roof tiles. There's one roof tile. There's another one, and you can keep drawing these roof tiles, and you're going all the way down to the bottom. Roughly about here, you're just going to draw a line up, and this is going to be a chimney, so 3 lines. There we go. And we're just going to connect the lines like this. A little bit below that, you're going to make a curve upwards. That's going to be the top of the chimney. And you're going to bring it there. And there's our little chimney. Now we have to finish the roof. Now on this side, we're going to draw roof tiles again. There we go. There's the roof, and on this side, we're just drawing one more there. And our roof is finished. Great. We're going to draw the inside of this gable going out, this piece of the roof standing out. Now we'll draw the walls. We're going to draw a wall down there, and this side we're going to draw a wall, but just halfway. Just draw a line halfway down, and then you're on the side, make a little line, because that's going to be the bottom of the house and there where the grass begins. And now we're going to draw some flowers with a little stem. There we go, there's one flower, and right here we can maybe draw another little flower, another stem, and there's the roof going, the house going, and maybe another flower here. There's another little flower standing there, and we're going to continue with the roof, with the bottom of where the grass goes. And then from here I want you to draw a door. Nice round door, and then you're going to draw another outer line to it. There we go. And then half of the door, and then the bottom half, you're going to draw another block there. That's going to be your bottom half, and you're going to make a little line inside that, and then a door knob. And we're going to connect these two lines, and there's the door. Windows. A square, then draw a little square inside it. Curtains. Another square for the other window. Then we're going to draw the curtains again. And now right here we're going to draw some more flowers. We're going to connect the lines again right there. Now on this side we left the space open. What we'll do, we're going to draw a bush right here. And then on this bush we want a few flowers as well. You can just draw them anywhere where you want, doesn't matter. There we go. A few flowers, and maybe we can just draw a little bit of texture inside this. We'll draw the side of the house. There we go. And right here there's a little pathway going down. From here a little pathway, and notice we're making the lines a little bit wider. And then on this side we have a tree and a little tire hanging from the tree. So I'm first going to draw a rope, and then we're going to draw the tire. Nice round tire, and inside, there we go, and there's a tire hanging, and we can maybe just draw the tree. There we go, there's the tree standing as well. And there in the background, maybe there's a hill. Yeah, we can maybe draw a hill there in the background. There we go. Just a few lines through, because it's maybe a cornfield or something where they plant some crops. There we go. Good. And then on this side, let's draw another hill in the distance going down. Good. And from this side we can draw another hill, and there we go, there's another hill rolling there in the distance. And right on top I want to draw a cloud. Yeah, let's draw a cloud. So we'll draw a beautiful puffy cloud here on top. There we go. And here at the bottom, there we have a beautiful puffy cloud above the house. And then they have this little decorations in the front of the house. And there's Blue's Clues house. Now you can look at my picture and you can match the colors and color Blue's Clues house in, and I'm sure it's going to look absolutely amazing. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to leave me a comment of what you draw. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.